Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lord Dirt. Today we're going to look at a few hill climb videos sent to me by a guy who's Portuguese from Portugal and has gone to a few of the hill climbs in his country. So I'm interested to get started on it. I know I'm not the best on YouTube, but a like and a follow and a subscribe would be helpful to me. It would help me grow. It would help me learn. The more videos I do, the better I would get. And it's fun, because I'm not doing this to make money. I'm doing it to build a community. We can build a good community. I'm American. I'm looking for everybody in the world. I don't give a damn if I can understand you or not. I can also use Google Translate. Like, there's ways. This ain't the 90s where we had to go take a whole language class to talk to people. If you don't speak English, I don't care. I'll figure it out. Body language, you can look at pictures. I do that all the time when I go somewhere that don't speak no English. Yes, there's a lot of places in the US that just don't speak English, and I'm not sitting here crying and complaining like some of the Karens over here. What I do is I point at the picture, bring me that, thank you, gracias, do all that. That's what I do. So you can join if you don't speak no English. I don't care. I'll figure it out. We'll have fun together. In fact, you'll probably do a lot for me. I used to want to be a linguist in the military. That didn't happen because of rule changes. Don't need to get into that. The point is I'll figure it out. Your native tongue is good enough for me. You ain't got to please me. All those are pauses. Damn all that. So today we are doing Rampa. I'm gonna butcher this. I just said something about languages. Falperra 2026. Best of crazy flat out and crashes. It's a hill climb video sent to me by, I don't know. I'm bad at names unless I'm looking at the name. And I need to write these down. I will, just not right now. By a guy on Instagram who sent me a message, who had a back and forth with me in the messages. I'm gonna check it out. Oh, and there's another LP Rally E13 video. Audi, man, that Audi. Ooh. What the hell did he hit? Oh, the sound is so good. Y'all know when y'all hear that sound and it just... Engine sounds are so beautiful. Sexy. Oh, is that my car? Oh my God, it's a GTO. All these. Expert. Hey, that Mercedes. Man, keep it together. don't even know it. The best part about hill climb to me right now is not just the speed and the pure lovely sound. It's the variety. We've seen I know they told me this before, but specialty built for hill climb cars. I forgot what the names were. They'll remind me. I already know that because they're unfamiliar to me. I've seen F1, not F1, IndyCar. I've seen rally-esque cars. You know, like your escorts, your Evos, all those. I've seen the monsters, the AMGs, the Mercedes, the Porsche, the BMWs, the Nissan GTRs. I've seen them all on the same course. It's not like Forza, which when you move up in classes, not Horizon, Forza, the actual racing part of the game. When you move up in classes, you unlock, like, you start out with the Evo and it's not true. It's not it's just an example. In like stage, in like genre one or in the first stages, and then when you unlock stage 4, you get the Mercedes. It's not like that. They say, damn all that. If y'all can build the car, you could put it on this track, race against the big boys, and I love this shit. Yeah. Hey man, you wrecked my car, I'm gonna crash out. That. Specialty built. Him too. There's a flock of them. I'm gonna call them bird cars from now on. Yep, more bird cars. They're so fucking fast. My boy right there, the Beamer. There you go. A rally-esque car. Ooh. I know you lying. I know you ain't do it. I know he ain't do it. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Now, hopefully he didn't hit nothing. Oh, we're going too far. He did. He hit something. Come on, Porsche driver. Oh, hell no. Damn that. What the bro, we gotta run it back from the very beginning. I'm gonna throw this on a clip. Angry face. Damn, man. See, my fear is when I put this put that clip on Instagram is that driver from that event's gonna see it and be like, hey man, hey fat boy, just shut the hell up. Hey man, no. You're a good driver. You made a mistake. Own up to it. Still though, you were a G for keep driving because you didn't crack, you ain't stop and get out and be like, my car. No, you kept driving. You know what's up though. That's G though. That AMG looks AI how quick it is, but I know it's not. Look at it, bro. It's like I would go back and see that. That was beautiful. But no, the AMG driver, the fucking Mercedes driver, I promise you, I know he's holding on like this. I know they doing both hands on the wheel. I get it. But the way it just seems like he's seamlessly going around everything make me feel like he's doing this and just chilling. This ain't shit to me. I'm better than the rest of the pack. If y'all know that AMG driver name, let me know. Tell me, because I'm just flabbergasted. I don't even like AMGs like that, except for the one I'm gonna drive in Houston. Listen to this. Man. Ooh, this corner. Even my bird flock having a little issue. That ain't good. Oh yeah, that curve. Let me know. Let me know this ain't one of them massive curves again. Bro. Oh yeah. What is... They got the drifters on the track? Oh, oh, that was dope. I don't even care. That shit was super dope. Hey man, that shit was super cool. Like when I clip this video up and I throw in that curve when the drifters were going around the course. When I throw in that curve, I know somebody gonna tell me that that curve is a menace. So it wasn't too much mistakes I seen until later on in the end. It was a whole lot of damn precision though, a whole lot, and that's what I like to see in hill climb. The precision, the nerves that you have, steel core. You like, hey, F it, we gonna full send it. If it works, it works. If it don't, we gonna be in the guardrail. The guardrails really did their job. Nobody rolled off the mountain. Nobody really had any problems except for that Porsche. And that GTR driver, man, look, I get it. My favorite car is dominant. I understand. Brother or sister, because I know there's a few females out there that drive too. A lot of females that drive. Don't wreck the car. Don't do it. Almost made me shed a tear. Anyways, that was cool. I'm gonna get this up. Hopefully my excited levels are going up. It's still natural, I promise y'all. Anyways, comment, like, subscribe. Give me more videos. Give me more educational videos on hill climbs, or the engineering behind it, or the history. Does hill climb have a group B type history to it like rally does? That would be a dope video to watch. Two, there had to have been a crazy period where people were like, rules, what are those? Anyways, yeah, just tell me how you feel in the comments. If I'm doing a better job than my first 13 videos, if I'm coming into my own, if I'm getting more comfortable. I feel like I'm getting more comfortable, and I think that's normal. A lot of people will get to where they only have a couple hundred views through 13 videos. Some of the videos ain't even been watched yet, and they get discouraged and quit. I don't fucking do that. Especially working for the people I work for. Never see them give up even if a video gets shitty. Fuck that. Anyways, I'll catch y'all in the next video.